to the Barefoot Captains Log, Day 2. Since yesterday morning, the wind's just picked up again, but it's in the wrong direction. It's again right on the nose, so it really ekes me. We're not using the sails. We're cruising up to the Gold Coast to pick up the rest of the crew and to head out on our big yearly expedition. This year, Coral Sea we're going back to, which I always love. Some of my favorite places, Cato, Wreck Reef, Ken Reef, but we're gonna bite off a really big chunk this time. We're really gonna go a long way. We're gonna go all the way to Vanuatu. And I hear Vanuatu is like the Wild West. It's supposed to be wild and jungles and surf spots no one has ridden and fish and amazing diving and wrecks, and I'm really excited. I'm so excited to go there and see what it holds for us. Just after I talked to you, the sunset, golden pink sky. It's a pink sky at night, sailor's delight, and we're rewarded with a nice day today. We've got a lot of miles under us and we'll be in Ballina tomorrow morning, which is awesome. We'll have a little rest there. But just after the sunset, I put the headlights on. I was really stressing out because we were still in the danger zone for where there could be shipping containers.
The untrackable containers sit just below the water's surface and pose an enormous risk to yachts and ships. And maritime services are warning skippers to be alert.
They are very difficult to spot, almost impossible.
So, had the big headlights on, keeping a really close eye, and we didn't come across any shipping containers. But what our headlights did do is they lit up the water ahead of us, and any bait fish or anything that was ahead of us was lit up by our lights. And so we were joined by these dolphins.
Oh my gosh, look at Binge's going, look!
And these dolphins were riding in our light and chasing fish. These pictures are so beautiful of them swimming underwater. Have a look. We had dolphins last night, they were just amazing, and then a really beautiful sunrise this morning. That's my favorite part about having the morning shift. It's those small things that make cruising so amazing. So it's calmed off, the wind's just come up now, we've got a little bit of chop on the top of the water, and just when the wind changed, bang, we got a fish on the line. We've got a cruising troll line out the back. Cruising troll line is just a really long piece of BB cord, maybe 20 meters long, about double the length of the boat. And we got this really nice big tuna. We just said I'll make a fish curry and we got a fish.
Yay! Fish curry!
Woohoo! Yummy! That's a pretty good looking little tuna. It's first fish of the trip. And what do you do with a nice big tuna? Well, I sashimi'd him up straight away.
Like in the 5-star restaurant.
So what's next? Well, we're going to cruise all through the night again, and just after daybreak we should get to Ballina, and then we're going to go have dinner with some friends of ours and a guy called Crazy Barry. I can't wait. I'm so excited. This is the sort of stuff I live for. Sailing to these places, going places where there's no people, exploring places maybe nobody has ever seen. That's what I absolutely live for. And I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. So I hope you enjoy it. See you tomorrow. Ah, it's the rabbit. That's another Crazy Barry type here. A rabbit.